Can I get your name?
No.
Okay.
No.
You, ma'am? Okay. Is it
Any
illegal?
ID on you?
No, to you?
That's what I do.
Okay. Well, can I see it? You look like you're shaking, sir. You
Man,
getting
what's
pissed
going
off?
on?
I'm getting a little antsy. What's your name, sir?
I'm not going to give you my name.
Why's that?
Because I don't want to.
Okay. One of those, huh?
Just because you're a public servant and have to give ID doesn't mean I have to. Mind if I search you?
Oh, you can search me.
Okay.
You want to search me?
Yeah.
Put your hands on me. Search me. Search me.
You do want to go hands-on. What is wrong with you?
Sir, you're going to have to exit the building. They get ready to shut the courthouse down.
What time do they close?
They're closing now.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. It's been a while since we featured an audit, and today's comes from Good Citizen News. Be sure to check out his channel linked below and let him know I sent you. Note that any text without a black stroke around it was added to the video by GCN. Good Citizen News was at the Marion County Courthouse, attempting to obtain records request forms. Because he was filming, the state officials employed there called the local sheriff's office to respond. One of the interesting things about this incident is the local news publishing a small story about it. The story claims that the government offices were closed in an abundance of caution, describing GCN as a suspicious person with unclear intentions, even though he announces himself and vocalizes his intentions very clearly.
Oh, okay. How's it going? I'm just looking to get a FOIA request, public records request form.
The story also claims that he was, quote, demanding their names under the guise of his First Amendment rights.
Okay, awesome. All right, well, thank you, ma'am. Can I get your first names? Y'all been really helpful. I'm just doing a video for the county. Do you work here?
I do.
Oh, can I get your first name just since I spoke to you?
Kim.
Kim? All right, thank you so much.
Who are you with?
Can I get your name?
No.
Okay. You, ma'am? Okay.
The article even posted his picture and encouraged the public to call the Marion County Sheriff's Office if they can identify GCN. The video starts with a few brief interactions with the employees.
How's it going, ma'am? Do y'all have a public records request form?
A what?
Public records request form?
Public records request form?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
I'm just gonna request some public records.
No, we don't have a form for that.
You don't have a form, so
You have to tell us what you want and we look it up.
Okay. All right, cool. I just was curious on how I would do that. I didn't know.
Yeah.
I know some people don't know how to do that. That's all.
Yeah,
Okay. Do y'all have complaint forms?
we don't have complaint forms either. You can write something out if you want to make
Okay.
a complaint.
Well, no, I was just
and
curious. I
send it
didn't know.
To the office holder.
It's Lana. Lana's office has that stuff.
Oh,
Is that upstairs?
no. Okay, I didn't know that.
Over at the Justice Center.
Okay. Where's that at?
The circuit court clerk, her office is on the second floor. If you go out the front door,
Yes, ma'am.
it's on the left. Look left, and there's a brick and cream colored building a block over.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Well, thank you, ma'am. Can I get your first names? Y'all been really helpful. I'm just doing a video for the county.
Okay, are you videoing me?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't tell me you were videoing me.
Well, I've
That's
got a
against the
camera
law.
here. It's not against the law. I promise you that. It's First
Well,
Amendment.
you need to delete that.
I
I don't
can't.
want to be videoed.
I can't. My delete button's broken, ma'am.
Huh?
My delete button's broken.
Your what's broken?
My delete button.
It's delete button.
Yeah. It's a First Amendment constitutionally protected
Well, have
activity.
fun.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a great day.
You too.
Yeah, but as I was
This
telling.
is the Marion County Trustee's office.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All I want to let you know is that it's not illegal to record in public. And since this is a public building in a public place, you have no expectation of privacy, ma'am. So I'm sorry if you feel like you don't want to be recorded, but if you don't want to be recorded, you should go work in the private sector, not the public sector. But it's okay. Can I get your first name?
No.
No? Okay. All right, well, have a great day. Sorry you feel that way about the First Amendment.
You do too.
Have a great day, ladies.
Goodbye.
We got a guy running around here with a camera.
Yeah. How's it going?
Can we help you, man?
Yeah, I'm just looking to get some public record request forms. Complaint forms.
Could I ask why you're filming?
It's a public building, sir. It's a historical building.
What's your name, sir?
What?
What is your name?
I really don't want to give that information away.
The last name? It's the last. What's he wanting?
He is wanting some public.
Record request forms.
I don't understand what he's asking.
Public record of what?
Public record request forms, ma'am.
We don't have any public record of request forms in
Okay, so I just if I wanted to get public records from the assessors or property office,
You'd have to know the property, the name of the property and
so I bring in
map
just
parcel.
okay, so I just bring in a piece of paper with written down like the stuff that I want.
So he wouldn't get any tax
You have to supply us with some kind of
Information so we'll know
identification.
what to give you.
Okay,
You have to supply us with like a physical address or name
yeah,
or something like that.
okay,
That's
See, our paperwork is by map parcel
map and
names.
parcel only.
okay. So would this be the place I would come to if I wanted to get like plat maps?
Get what?
Plat maps
Your map.
for the county? Plat
We
plat
give
maps for the
map-
county?
Plat maps, yes, we give those out.
Okay.
Yes, we do.
How much are those?
They don't cost you anything.
They don't? Oh
Are
wow.
you recording us?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, put that down and we'll talk. We don't want to be recorded.
Why are you recording this?
It's a. I always record public buildings and stuff like that.
I don't understand the reasoning for that.
Well, I mean,
You're free to come in and talk with any of us we want to, but I mean, are you gonna put us on the news or something other?
yeah, I'm a journalist
Who for?
myself. I'm a citizen journalist.
Are we doing something wrong?
That might be why he's not getting it. We might have.
I mean, if-
closed the numbers, so.
I mean, that's not up to me. That's up to the people who view this. But
Well, I'm not going to answer more questions.
We're not gonna answer any more of your questions, sir.
okay, that's fine. Can I get your name?
No.
Okay. You, ma'am? Okay.
GCN was extremely well mannered, but eventually, because of the cameras, Marion County Sheriff's Office responds.
How you doing?
How's it going? Name and badge number?
Yes, sir. What's the problem?
Name and badge number, please. Before we get
My
any
name
further.
is Tyrone Green.
Tyrone Green. Okay.
Badge number is 402. What you got, boss?
I'm just taking video in a public building.
Why's that?
Cause I can.
Oh.
Is it
Got any ID
illegal?
on you?
No, do you?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. Well, can I see it?
Can
Have I
I
broken
see-
the
can
law?
No, sir, you haven't. But
Okay, then I don't need to show you ID. You look like you're shaking, sir. You
Man,
getting
what's
pissed
going
off?
on?
I'm getting a little antsy.
Me too. Okay? We'll close our door. We're gonna close our
Oh, yeah,
door.
you close it. You close it.
Okay, all right.
What's your name, sir?
I'm not gonna give you my name
Why's that?
because I don't want to.
Okay. One of those, huh?
One of what? This is a constitutionally protected activity. It's not illegal. You even said I wasn't breaking the law.
No, you're not breaking the law.
Okay, then I don't need to provide you with ID. Just because you're a public servant and have to give ID doesn't mean I have to.
Okay. Well, where are you from, sir?
I don't want to answer that question.
Radio shop, radio check.
Am I detained or am I free to go?
Oh, you're free to go.
Okay, then if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
Oh, I mean, I can sit here
Well,
too.
I'm not gonna turn
I
around.
don't have anything else better to do. I can sit here too.
Okay, cool. Waste taxpayer dollars, huh? Very rude. You're very shaky. Are you on something?
I don't know, sir.
Mind if I search you?
Oh, you can search me.
Okay.
You want to search me?
Yeah.
Put your hands on me. Search me.
10-4.
Search me.
You do want to go hands on. What is wrong with you, sir? Do you have an issue? Do you have anger management issues?
I don't have issues. No,
You seem like you do. You're very shaky. I'm calmer than you are right now.
I'm very calm.
No, you're not.
Yes, sir.
Dude,
I
you
am.
were shaking. I have it on video.
Oh, I'm shaking?
You were. You were when you were standing right here. You were like, dude, I'm getting
Oh,
antsy. I got that on
I'm
camera
antsy.
too.
Well,
Yeah.
that's fine. You can have whatever you want to on camera.
Yeah.
I have not been disrespectful to you.
Well, you've been trying to get my ID. Telling me I'm not breaking the law, so that's a little confusing. I don't, you know, just because you're supposed to ask people for ID doesn't mean you should, and doesn't mean they have to give you ID either.
Are you a lawyer or anything? Or?
I don't want to answer that question. I could be. I don't know.
Oh,
You running the body cam? You running the body cam?
No, sir. I do not have my body cam.
Okay. Why not?
My body cam's broken.
Oh.
want to see. Yeah, I asked for his credentials. He says he confirmed. Is he gone?
The gentleman from the office tells the officer that GCN has a gun, or at least something in his back pocket. It's a very dangerous thing to tell a cop who appears agitated and admits to feeling antsy over a camera. GCN has not been threatening or aggressive in any way. Regardless, concealed carry is not illegal in Tennessee with a permit, and as of July 1st, 2021, anyone over 21 years of age can conceal carry in Tennessee without a permit. Now, typically, courthouses are gun-free zones, but it's rare that states will uninfringe the rights they've taken from you, so I felt it was worth a mention. None of that matters though, because GCN is not armed.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Where's
You're
the
running body
officer?
cams?
Yeah, you're on my camera.
Okay, cool. I've got mine running too.
Awesome. Where's Officer Graham?
He's in that room over there.
We'll find out what he's doing.
You're not going to.
Just tell him to find out what he was doing.
Oh, okay. I thought you told him that you were going to find out what I was doing. What's your name? Well, I was going to ask you the same thing.
Deputy Cash.
Deputy Cash?
Yeah.
What's your badge number?
109.
Oh, okay. Is it illegal to film in public?
I'm not really sure on. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. I'm not going to tell you wrong.
Well, I can tell you right now, it's definitely not illegal. Taking video on a public building. You seem pretty cool, so I'm not gonna be shitty with you. When Tyrone came up here, very aggressive, like straight up asking me for my name, asking me for ID, you know, all that stuff. You know, if you come off like that to people, you're gonna get the same thing. Look, I'll tell you the same thing I told them in that room. I'm just doing a video. I told them the same thing downstairs. I'm a journalist, taking video for a story.
Okay.
There's nothing illegal about coming in the building, in a public building that's publicly funded, and taking video. It's constitutionally protected. Just like it, same thing. Same thing as if I was walking down the sidewalk and want to take video of people's houses or whatever, businesses. There's nothing illegal about it. Just because it spooks some people doesn't mean it's illegal.
So did you identify yourself to him?
No.
Yeah, you do have to identify yourself.
I don't know how to identify myself if I haven't broken a law. And he told me I wasn't breaking a law, so. Yeah.
We'll go off whatever he tells you there. It's his call. We're just here to assist.
Well, Sheriff's Department has
We do.
jurisdiction
but we
over
don't-
him.
We don't jump over our city officers.
Oh, okay. Oh. Where's your department located at anyway?
Right across
Right.
the street.
I'm
Other side
I'm
of
not
the building.
oriented. So that would be the front of the building.
Well, honestly,
I'm-
I'm moving upstairs, so I'm kind of figuring out where I'm at.
That's why I'm like, because if we,
If you're looking this way, it's to the right.
okay, all right, awesome.
It's the Justice Center.
Yeah, and just so you know, I don't have anything on me.
Okay.
Yeah, they were trying to say that I had something in my back pocket, and clearly you can see there's nothing in my back pocket. I don't have anything. I just have a belt on. I'll lift my shirt up just to kind of give you a visual. There's
So
nothing
who are
there.
you doing a story for?
Myself. I'm a citizen journalist.
So you're okay. You don't work for like Marion County News or News Channel 9.
No, I work for myself.
Kind of self-employed. Okay.
Yeah. Well, actually, I don't. That's the wrong term. I'm not employed. I do this for fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the story going to be about?
I don't want to give that away. It kind of just ruin the, you know what I'm saying, the integrity of the story if I give it away now.
The deputy asks if he works with News Channel 9, as do many officers, to validate the authenticity of an auditor as press. This mindset not only ignores the First Amendment, it's just a ridiculous notion. News Channel 9 has an entire team of journalists, producers, writers, videographers, and editors with full funding from ABC. Their YouTube channel is over 10 years old and has almost 15,000 videos. However, they've only earned an eighth of this channel's subscribers and only a third of the views. I'm not trying to put down their efforts, but comparing citizen journalists to mainstream media platforms is ridiculous, as cable television is slowly dying off. GCN has a polite conversation with the deputy for a few minutes, until Deputy Green returns with some news.
Sir, you're gonna have to exit the building. They're getting ready to shut the courthouse down.
What time they close?
They're closing now.
Why?
Cause it's time for it to shut down, so.
Okay, all right, well. Does it matter how I get out of here, or do you want me to take a specific direction since you're forcing me to leave? Or
You can say I'm forcing you to leave if you like. If that makes you feel better, you can say I'm forcing you to leave.
well, if I don't leave,
But
am I
the
gonna be...
courthouse is closing, so you're gonna have to go.
Okay, so as I said before, which way do you want me to go?
Whichever way makes you feel.
Because I'm kind of got my back up to the wall right now. I mean, y'all are taking up the only way of exit. So, can I go this? Do you want me to take the stairs? Or you want me to take the elevator?
Whatever makes you feel better, boss.
Okay, cool. I'll take the elevator if that's cool.
That's fine.
All right, cool.
I don't have my cameras. Could one of y'all cut y'all's camera on the Esquire?
It's been on the whole time.
Okay.
I'll take it, man.
You have a good weekend. Thank you.
Go ahead. Both of us have my
No worries. What's your name again? Deputy Connolly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll let you go, sir.
No worries, man. Just gotta cover my ass a little bit, you know?
All righty, sir. Have a good weekend.
Y'all too. Y'all too. Seriously, y'all guys be safe. I know it's a hard job, so.
As the article referenced earlier, the courthouse was shut down almost 1.5 hours early just to get Good Citizen News out, as they had no reason to trespass or remove him.
Man, I got all the cops out here today, huh?
Well, safety in numbers, I'm sure you're fishing for a lawsuit, so,
Not really. I told him, I said, I make friends with the deputies and officers. I have friends in a lot of places, man, that are cops.
That's good.
You know? But when people act like you, if you would act like him, man, this would have gone a lot different.
Well, that's fine.
But you want to come in all shaky
Did
and...
I once disrespect you?
Yeah,
How'd I do that?
the way you came in, man. I heard you talking to him, too. I'm not
The
stupid.
way you looking at me, you looking pretty disrespectful yourself, boss.
I can be.
Okay, well, I can too.
No, you can't.
Oh, yes, sir.
That's
I
the
can.
difference
Oh, yes,
between...
sir.
Okay, all right. That's the difference between you and me.
It's just how I choose to do it.
Yeah, well, there's a difference, but I'm going to break contact with you.
Well, thank you. I greatly appreciate that.
Yeah, you have a great day.
You do the same.
Don't beat your wife when you go home, sir.
I probably will.
I figured.
GCN stuck around for a while and recorded the sheriff's vehicles. They would proceed to follow him walking through town over the next hour until he finally left the area without further incident. GCN had another channel, but it was taken down. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to head over to his channel and subscribe. Hopefully, we can help him reach 1,000 subs again, so he can enable live streaming. If you do head over to help, let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.